Hello, I'll be teaching us how to create video animation. This video animation, you can use it for your business advert, you can use it for program jingle. And the app we are using to design this video animation is called Plotagon. You can get this Plotagon from your Google Play Store. So I'll be clicking it now so that the teaching can begin. All right. As you can see, it's loading. Prepare Plotagon Magic. So if you look at the top of your screen, you'll see where it is written create video. So I'm going to click it, create video. So if you look at the screen, you will notice that the background there is restaurants, just as it is written. You see restaurants, you see no extras, and you see no actor. So I don't want to use these restaurants. I want to change it to something else. So I will click on the restaurants. I will click on the restaurants. So here we go. Now these are different backgrounds. So what I'll be picking from here is elevator. I want to use elevator. So I'll click on the elevator. Now for me to choose my character, I will just choose one character so that I can show you how to go about it. So I'll click on no actor. No actor. Now these are the actors. We have Sion, we have Esther, we have Ayomide, we have Pastor Linus, we have Goose Good, we have Jessica, we have Lizzie, we have Samuel and Scott. So I want to choose Sion. Let me choose Sion for this work. Okay, this is Sion. Now, for me to make Sion to talk, I'll have to click. If you look at the um, if you look at the down part of your screen, you see some signs. You see some signs. Now I'm going to click on the voice sound. The voice, just look at it, the voice sound. Now when I click on the voice sound, I'm going to click on the no actor again. Now I will click on the Sion. Now this is it. Now if you look at this your screen, you see that they wrote write dialogue here or record your voice. So I'm going to click there. Whatever you want your character to talk about, so you write it here. So I will click, I will type hello, good morning, everyone. Good morning everyone. Now just to test it, I'll click on play.
Hello, good morning, everyone.
How does it sound? Okay, good morning everyone. How are you doing today? How are you doing today? I hope you are fine. Okay, my name is Thomas and I will be training you on how to create video animation. Okay, this is it. Now, let me play it again.
Hello, good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? I hope you are fine. My name is Thomas, and I will be training on how to create video animation.
Now, this is just it. So that is how you type all the things you want. Now, to save it, look at the right. Is it right or left? Look at the right side of the screen. On top of the right side of the screen, you see an arrow facing up. So that is where you save your video. I'll just click it. You click on the render video. Now you see export with subtitle, export without subtitles. Now, export with subtitle is the thing that you type there will be displaying on your screen. Why export without title, it will not display on your screen. So, but me, I love my what I'm talking about to display on my screen. So I'll click export with subtitles. Now the thing is loading, is downloading, is downloading, finalizing video. So it has been saved. So you can decide to save it. Now it has been saved. So you just what you are seeing here is who you want to send it to. Either you want to send it to anybody or whatever. So this is just how to create your video animation. Your video animation. So let me send it to one of let me send it to somebody.